A messy house can be overwhelming, and the thought of not just cleaning it, but keeping it that way might seem impossible. Here is the secret. It's all about small and manageable steps. By incorporating a few simple habits into your routine, you can create a home that looks clean and organized every single day. So let's dive into how you can make that happen, starting with one simple habit. It may appear insignificant, and some may even call it a waste of time, but making your bed has a huge influence. In only a few minutes you can make your bedroom appear more organized. Furthermore, it sets a positive tone for the day and provides you with the ultimate reward, sliding into a freshly made bed each night. Want to make things even easier? Simplify your bedding. For example, switching from top sheets to a quilt with a washable cover works wonders. But if top sheets are essential for you, consider limiting the number of pillows or choosing a quilt or cover large enough to avoid the dreaded tucking. A small adjustment like this might save time and make your daily routine easier. Dusting may not be the most exciting task, but keeping it under control can make a huge difference in how fresh and clean your home feels. You can reduce dust, save time, and keep your environment consistently clean with a few basic behaviors. One of the simplest methods to keep dust at bay is to implement a no-shoes policy. Believe it or not, much of the dust in your home enters just via the entrance, sticking to the soles of shoes. Requesting everyone to leave their shoes at the entry, you not only limit the amount of filth and grime trapped within, but also the regularity with which the floor is cleaned. To make this practice more convenient, place a shoe rack or mat near the entry, and provide guests with comfortable inside slippers or socks. It's a minor change with a significant return for keeping your home clean and friendly. Next, pay attention to your mats and racks. They are your first line of defense against dust. So keep them clean by shaking or vacuuming them on a regular basis. If they are washable, chucking in the washing machine every few weeks. Clean mats not only effectively trap dirt, but also contribute to a dust-free environment. When it comes to dusting, better methods might save you time and effort. Always begin dusting at the top of the room and go downward. This ensures that any dust that falls does not end up on previously cleaned surfaces. Replace your old feather duster which only spread dust with microfiber cloth or Swiffer dusters. These instruments are designed to catch dust, making the process faster and less frustrating. Another game changer is to upgrade your vacuum cleaner. Vacuums with HEPA filters are very effective because they capture small dust particles rather than releasing them back into the atmosphere. Regular maintenance such as replacing bags, cleaning filters, and checking seals keeps your vacuum in a good working order and ensures it does its job successfully. The kitchen is the heart of your home, and since it sees so much activity, it requires the most regular maintenance. A clean kitchen is important not just for looks, but also for maintaining hygiene and preventing germ buildup. You can deep clean your kitchen once a week, but what's the trick to keeping things clean and organized without feeling overwhelmed? Imagine waking up to a clean sink and counters every morning. It's not as difficult as it sounds. You can get your kitchen in shape in about 15 minutes each evening. And here is how. Begin by gathering all necessary cleaning items such as dish soap, a scrub brush, microfiber cloth, disinfectant spray, and a broom or vacuum. Having everything ready in one spot saves time and helps you stay focused. Fill the sink with hot soapy water and soak any pots and pans before moving on to another duties. This makes subsequent scrubbing much easier. Next, clean up the surfaces and kitchen table, putting away anything that doesn't belong. A quick decluttering completely alters the space. Once the surfaces have been cleaned, concentrate on the dishes. Wash them by hand or put them in the dishwasher. And when the sink is empty, give it a quick scrub to keep it fresh and ready for the following day. After cleaning the sink, spray down all hard surfaces such as counters, stove and table. Clean them with a microfiber cloth to remove crumbs and grease. If you do it every day, it will avoid accumulation and make weekly deep cleaning much easier. Then move to the floor. Give it a sweep or vacuum to remove any crumbs or debris. If the bin is full or if it's rubbish day, take it out and replace the liner so the bin is ready for the next day. Finally, replace your used kitchen towels with fresh ones. This tiny action completes your nightly housekeeping, making this easy practice a habit, and you will wake up to a clean and organized kitchen every morning. Certainly, you will still need to do a deep cleaning once a week, but it won't be overwhelming at all. Take a moment to look at your house. Is clothing thrown over the chairs or strewn on the bedroom floors? Are shoes and jackets placed where they shouldn't be? It's amazing how little habits can make a room appear hectic and cluttered. So here is a simple rule. Anytime you take off your clothing, put them in the laundry basket or return them to the proper location. Do not throw them over a chair or let them pile up on the floor. This minor effort at the end of the day takes only a few seconds, but it saves you time and the anguish of looking for that elusive socks or your favorite pair of trousers later. Let us discuss laundry, a duty that most people don't like. But instead of allowing it to build up into a mountain of stress by the weekend, consider doing it a tiny load every day. Yes, daily cleaning may be overwhelming at first, but it is a game changer. Consider this. Would you rather spend hours sorting and watching on a Saturday, or just doing a tiny load every day? This habit not only saves your hampers from overflowing, but it also means you will never be scrambling for clean clothes again. Furthermore, by spreading it out, laundry becomes a doable duty rather than a weekend-consuming labor. But if doing laundry every day isn't practicable for you, one option is to set up a system in which laundry is done a few times per week, but in smaller and more manageable loads. You can divide it out by focusing on individual things or family members, such as doing a load of towels one day, clothes the next, and bedding the day after. This prevents laundry from becoming an overwhelming task. Setting specific washing days and following a consistent pattern keeps the load light and your hampers from overflowing. Consider utilizing laundry baskets or hampers in each room to make it easier to gather and sort things all at once, saving time and energy when it comes time to do the laundry. One simple but effective habit is to clean your bathroom before going to bed. Keep disinfecting wipes or a spray bottle and microfiber cloth accessible in your bathroom, so you can quickly clean out the sink, counters, and toilet every night. This quick clean minimizes build-up, keeps things fresh, and makes your bathroom look fantastic with little effort. It's incredible how much difference a quick wipe can make. If your sink is clean, the entire bathroom feels cleaner, even if the rest of the room hasn't changed. It may sound unusual, but it works. Here is the trick. Do it every day before bed. This habit prevents the need of a more thorough, time-consuming cleaning later on, and keeps your bathroom shining without effort. Finally, keep cleaning materials where you need them. Stock each bathroom with essentials such as toilet brush, microfiber cloth, a spray bottle filled with water and vinegar, or your favorite multi-purpose cleaner. This allows you to easily clean out toothpaste splatters on the mirror, or scrub the toilet without having to go for supplies. The evening reset brings together all of the tiny habits you've been developing. It is a rapid cleanup that eliminates clutter and leaves your living spaces refreshed. Every night, at a time that is convenient for you and your family, gather everyone for a 10 to 15 minutes reset. During those minutes, gather any toys or activities around the house. Assist with putting away laundry, taking out the rubbish, clearing books from the table, and storing paperwork. Set out the environment for the following day, whether it's organizing coursework, fluffing pillows, or ensuring that everything has a place. Consider restoring your home to its original state. The first few evenings will feel like a nuisance at the end of a long day, but it gets better with time. Soon it will become second nature, and that simple daily reset will turn your space into a more ordered and pleasant setting. So, why is daily cleaning effective? A few consistent routines per day can help keep everything under control. That's the secret that tidy moms and everyone striving to keep their home clean and organized know. These habits can genuinely transform your life, and the sensation of having a clean and tidy home is quite rewarding. If you enjoyed this video and would want to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.